Hi Aquarius, welcome to the channel. This is Lady of the Throne, where God dwells within me as me. Thank you all for being here today. Aquarius, this is going to be your general love, life, finances, and spirituality guidance for the month of August. So I'm going to talk to you guys about this general energy that's moving through all 12 signs, the entire zodiac, and then I will get a little bit more into a focus reading for you all specifically. Okay, so what's going on here for the month of August is the main thing will be the relationships for a lot of you guys. Relationships for those of you who are dating right now, for those of you who are interested in getting in a relationship, this is going to be the highlight. There could be a specific aspect of a connection that you're focused on. There could be something going on at work, a working relationship. It could be a friendship. It could be a family relationship, whatever. It could even be the relationship with yourself. But there is something about building a stronger relationship or focusing on relationships in some way. Also, this season, we're at the cusp of Leo and Virgo, which is the cusp of passion. We have strong, determined, fierce, dedicated, and loyal Leo, along with the workaholic, serious, go-getter Virgo. Okay, and Virgos are the maids of the zodiac. They're all about work. So you put this energy together with all this fierce determination, then it's going to bring about a lot of passion about what you do, and passion about what you love, who you love. Okay, and so this energy right here, I see a lot of you guys focused on this, just like every other sign of the zodiac. So these things are going to be important. Now let's get more into your sign specifically. Aquarius, August looks like a time where I see you guys really actively listening or quietly listening to a lot of things. So at this time, you guys are going to be using one of your senses the strongest, and that is your ears, your ability to hear. And so I think that what is going on here is that for some of you, your clairaudient gift could be coming through. God could be opening this up for you where your ears become more sensitive to his voice. You may start to receive higher knowledge. You may feel, for some of you, you may feel like this is just, oh, you're just following your first mind, or oh, this may be a tidbit of intuition coming through about something. But actually, what you're actually getting the guidance about is things that are going to help you, and that's coming from only heavenly sources could provide this type of thing to you. So be careful what you're listening to at this time, because I do feel like there's going to be a lot of guidance spiritually that's coming to you. You will have angelic messages coming to you. Things will start being revealed. It's going to come through people. It's going to come through TV. It could come through music. It could come through your pets even, right? There's going to be signs, warnings, messages, things to pay attention to. Things are going to be important for you. So a lot of you could be, since this is happening, and for some of you, it could be a gift to hear, get messages, right? Or for others of you, it may not necessarily be a gift, but it definitely can be that you're just really more focused on different things like music, podcasts, videos, even talking with people more, being a lot more social, being more into general media or public affairs or public social media, that kind of thing. For others of you, your ears could even be more open to your lover. Whoever your love interest is, you may be more of the listener at this time, where your person is communicating more to you. They're talking more to you. Also, this can be seen as hearing a lot of things about you. Okay, there could be a lot of talk. There could be a lot of people saying things. So you're going to hear a lot. That's what I'm getting here. That is what I'm getting overall for the month of August. Okay, so people may even come to you like you're a counselor or a therapist or something like that, and people may want to come and talk to you about a lot of stuff in August. So just prepare yourself for that type of thing also. But you may really find yourself kind of focused on new relationship goals in the midst of this, right? You may set some new goals for a particular person or a relationship and how you want things to look in the future. And you and whoever this person is that you may be connecting with, for some of you, this is like you seeing a new way of living together or working on a connection with this person. So maybe you guys start working on how you both want the relationship to move, how you both see things progressing, or how you would like for things to move, and you're setting those goals for yourself and the connection. I feel like a lot of you guys are moving away from the blame game. So I get a sense that maybe in the recent past or in the past, you felt like it was your person's fault for different things. It could be anything really, really small, minuscule, to something more big, right? But I feel like a lot of this was like on your person, okay? I think that you guys are going to move away from this energy and just start really getting excited for more happiness and love. Like, I don't think you guys are in the energy in August to want to bicker about anything, fight about anything, argue about anything, complain about anything. I think it's just about you saying, you know what? I choose happiness this month. Just for today, I'm going to be happy. Just for this month, I'm going to just focus more on what makes me happy. And I'm not going to worry about my love issues or issues that I'm having in communicating with my lover. I'm just really going to sit back and listen to this person, okay? I'm going to take that guidance in, or I'm going to take those messages in. And I think that this really helps you believe in the impossible when it comes to love, because you're going to shift your way of thinking and start thinking more optimistically, and also learning to leave it up to God to do the rest of the work, right? All the heavy lifting, you're just like, you know what? God's got this. It's in God's hands. I'm just going to let this just roll, and I'm not going to force anything. I'm not going to walk away from anything. And I'm not going to really give too much effort. I'm just going to be very, 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 very neutral. And I'm just going to let events pan out the way that it needs to be. And I think that really happiness is yours if you call it in the right way or at the right time. All goes well for you in the month of August, right? Because you're going to receive so many things, powerful insights and information that you're going to already know what to do, already know what to expect. Already know what's coming up, because you're going to get the foresight. And should I really, it may not be a foresight. It could be a forehearing about, what's coming up. And so with this powerful information that you receive, you kind of already know how to work through issues with your lover. You kind of have an idea of what to expect, because I do get a sense that you guys are really going to be focused on listening. All right, so that's what I have. I hope that this helps you. God bless.